Welcome to XQ. In this video, we will show you how to install and set up XQ's Outlook add-in. First, log into your Outlook.com email account. Select the New Message button followed by More Options icon on the menu bar. Click the Get Add-ins option in the drop-down menu bar. Followed by inputting XQ in the search field, add the XQ Secure Mail add-in. Continue onto Terms and Services. XQ will display a couple of onboarding tutorial screens. In order to complete the setup, open the XQ add-in by clicking the XQ icon on the menu bar, followed by clicking Encryption Settings in the drop-down menu. Click the Send Confirmation Email button and close the window. Then, a confirmation email will appear. The email will be titled XQ Temporary Credentials. Be sure to check your spam or junk mail if you do not see this XQ confirmation email in your main inbox. Open this email and click the Confirm Your Account button. You are now ready to send quantum-secured encrypted messages and files using Outlook.